few things that we're doing. This is not final UI, but we want to support those Windows 8 users that have touch machines and are getting a lot of benefit out of them. And some of you have lived through this, so this will resonate with you. The touch features that we know are working super well. Scrolling. People find scrolling on a touch screen to be incredibly fast and efficient. They're familiar with it on their mobile device. On a PC, it just works. It's great. Pinch zoom, same thing. Works great, efficient. People love it. There are a few other things when we first started doing these Windows 10 builds. We were changing the UI that we took out. We got negative feedback inside our team because we learned that people were using touch for some other shortcuts. One in particular was swipe right, settings, and then choose a Wi-Fi network. And initially, we knew we were evolving this UI, and we took that out. But after getting feedback from people, we put it back in. So here you'll see in this build, when I swipe right, the charms bar is still present. Now I want to tell you, we plan to change this UI. The literal UI, we expect to evolve and not be like this. But I wanted to illustrate that we're committed to supporting these touch scenarios because we have great belief in touch on these devices as making people more productive across the board. So I can still swipe right, choose settings, and configure my Wi-Fi. The way we're going to evolve this touch UI, I expect that charms bar to change. The way we're going to evolve this touch UI is to find UI approaches that use the same mouse and keyboard experience, evolving from Windows 7, so that touch users get something that's really natural. And what we've done on the other edge of the screen gives you a sense of what that might be like. I showed you the task view, and in Windows 8, people swipe in from the left with their thumb to get a task switcher, to switch between apps. But it's different than the task switchers they use everywhere else. Well, in Windows 10, in this build that you all will get a chance to try out, when you swipe in from the left, we get our task view, which people will discover using the mouse. It'll be familiar. And even here, we try to tailor it for the use of touch. So in the touch case, when I swipe in from the left, the close boxes are shown. So if I want to close that OneNote, I can click close. OneNote goes away. I click touch to clear it up. And now I'm using touch in a way that accelerates my use of the PC. Okay. Now I have one